Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Abhay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. David, please message me answer in the chat box. Okay, today we will discuss about objective question paper. The inner layer of the seed coat is called option 1 is testa, option 2 is hilum, option 3 is micropyle, option 4 is tegmen. What is the answer for this question? Please message me answer in the chat box. Very good. Fourth option is correct.
Option 4, Techman, sir.
Very good. Option 4. Tegmen is the correct answer. Next, which of the following plant has? Next question. Question number 92. Which of the following plant has endospermic seed? Endospermic seed. How many types of seeds are there based on the presence or absence of endosperm tissue?
2 types of
Two
seeds.
types, sir. Non-endospermic and endospermic.
Non-endospermic and endospermic seeds. Now here the question is that which of the following plant has endospermic seed? What are the given options? Option 1 is B. Option 2 is gram. Option 2 is P. Option 3 is castor.
Option
What
4,
is the
castor.
answer for this question?
Option 4 castor.
Please message me answer in chat box.
Option 4, Castor, sir.
Very good. Very good. Option 4 is correct. Option 4. Next. Zygomorphic nature of the flower. Next question. Zygomorphic nature of flower is represented by which of the following symbols? Zygomorphic. Option 1 is A. Option 2 is percent. Option 3 is plus symbol inside circle. Option 4 is arrow mark above the circle and a plus symbol.
Or option 2, sir. Percent.
Option 2, sir. Percent.
Very good. Option 3 is correct. Percent. Next, the floral formula of the plants belonging to the family Fabaceae. The floral formula of the plants belonging to the family Fabaceae is question number 94. Option 1 is bisexual, sepals 5, Camocephalus, corolla, petals 5, one is free, and 1 and 2 of the petals are free. Remaining 2 petals are fused. Androecium, 10 stamens, 9 of the stamens filaments are fused. 1 is free, 9 plus 1. Gynoecium consists of one carpel. The flowers are hypogenes. That is the flower first option, given first option. And the second option is bisexual flowers. Sorry, zygomorphic. The flowers are zygomorphic. Bisexual. Second option given, zygomorphic flowers, unisexual, sepals 5, non-sepals, corolla 1 plus 2 plus 2, androecium 9 plus 1, gynoecium, hypogenes 1. Third option, the given third option is flowers are actinomorphic, bisexual, sepals are 5, not fused, K5, petals are 5. 1 plus 2 plus 2. Petals are free, not fused. Androecium is consist of 10 stamens. A 9 plus 1. Not fused. Is consist one carpel, hypogenes flower. Next, fourth option is flowers are zygomorphic, bisexual, sepals 5, united, petals 5, C 1 plus 2 plus 2 within bracket, androecium 9 plus 1, 9 filaments are fused to form one bundle. And next, gynoecium.
Sir, option 2, sir.
Gynoecium. Which option is correct answer?
Sir, option 2, sir.
Sir, option 2, sir. Option 2.
Sir, option 4.
Option 4.
sir.
Very good. Option 4 is correct answer. Not 2.
Option.
Abhay.
Yes, sir.
Right.
This one, bisexual flower.
Option 4.
Here, the unisexual given now.
Yes, sir. It is male.
Unisexual.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, unisexual. In fantasy family, flowers are bisexual, not unisexual. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
So, okay, fourth option is the correct answer. Ready. Next, the plants belonging to the family Solanaceae is represented by the floral formula. The plants belonging to the family Solanaceae. What are the given options? Option 1 is flowers are actinomorphic, bisexual, sepals 5 free, petals 5 free, androecium 5 free, not fused, gynoecium, flowers are epigenes, 2 carpels are present. The second option, the given second option is flowers are actinomorphic, bisexual, sepals 5 fused, corolla 5, corolla is consist 5 petals fused with each other. Androecium 5 stamens are there fused. Gynoecium Two carpels are there. Fused syncarpus gynoecium, hypogynous. Flowers are hypogynous. Next, the given third option. Flowers are actinomorphic, bisexual, sepals 5, fused, petals 5, fused, stamens 5. The stamens are attached to the petals, epipetalous. Gynoecium. Gynoecium is the two carpels, syncarpus, hypogynous flower. Option 4 is flowers are actinomorphic, unisexual, female flower.
Sir, option 3, sir.
Sepals 5, very good. Option
Sir, option, sir.
very good. Third option is correct. Next, which of the following plants is used to extract the blue dye? Option 1 is trifolium. Option 2 is lupin. Option 3 is indigofera. Option 4 is cassia.
Sir,
What is
option
the
3.
answer?
Option 3.
Very good. Option 3 is the correct answer.
Option 3, indigo sera.
Yes, very good. Option 3. Third option is the correct answer. Next, scutellum is a scutellum is a. What are the given options? Food storing haploid structure. Food storing haploid structure. In glass embryo. Right. The second option, remnant of cotyledon in maize. Third option, shield-shaped and launch cotyledon.
Sir, option 3.
Very good. Option 3 is correct.
Third option, sir.
Third option is correct. Right, next. 98. Family Fabaceae is concerned with. Family Fabaceae is concerned with. What are the given options? Option 1 is Diadelphous stamens. Marginal placentation. Marginal placentation. And then maxillary corolla. Next. Diadelphous stamen. Marginal placenta. Marginal placenta. And then large posterior petal.
Sir,
Large
both 1 and 2.
posterior. Third, basal classification. Fourth option, axial classification. Non-inverse forming C. Non-inverse forming C. Legume. Right. What is the answer for this question? Please message me answer in the
First
chat
option.
box.
Sir, both 1 and 2.
Option 2, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
First
option
option
2,
is
sir.
also correct.
Option also, sir.
Here, the posterior petal is mentioned, the size of the posterior petal. Among the standard 5 petals, one is large in size. The large size of the petal is called as standard petal or vexillum. And the two
Sir,
mini
option 1
petals.
also be no, sir.
Yes, ma'am. These are also correct, but more among these two, first preference we have to give the second option. Large posterior petal. First one is also that's correct.
So but in
Okay,
three,
no?
option 2 is given.
Is to
So then
given
option 1 is wrong.
tidal first terminal marginal classification and vexillary corolla. That is also correct. Among these two, the first preference we have to give the second option because tidal first terminal marginal placenta and the large posterior petal is mentioned. Whereas in the first option in corolla, the posterior petal is not mentioned. Both the answers. So both the answers are also correct. How many of them bubbled in second option? Or even first option is also correct answer for this question. Okay.
Sir, but in test they are given wrong, sir.
Yes, no? Oh, okay, we will give the grace. No problem. No problem.
Sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, right. Next. Butterfly shaped corolla, monocarpillary ovary. 99, question number 99. What about the remaining students? Do you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Next. The question number 99. Butterfly shaped corolla, monocarpillary ovary, and zygomorphic flowers are found in family.
Fabaceae.
Fabaceae. Very good. Fabaceae.
Option 3, Papillonaceae or Fabaceae.
Very good. Third option. Next. Keel is the characteristic feature of the flowers. Option 1 is tomato. Option 2 is tulip. Option 3 is indigofera.
Sir, option 3, Indigofera.
Indigofera.
Option 3 is correct.
Sir, option 3, Indigofera.
Very good. Option 3. So it belongs to family Fabaceae. So butterfly shaped corolla is present. Monocarpillary ovary. Monocarpillary ovary means how many carpels are present in a gynoecium?
One carpel.
One
sir.
carpel.
One carpel.
One carpel presence of.
Sir, what is graminae, sir?
Graminae is Graminia poaceae is one of the family. Graminae
Okay.
or poaceae is rice, wheat, maize, cereals, barley, ragi, grasses, sugarcane is examples for the Graminae or poaceae. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Thank you.
Graminae. Okay, you're welcome. Next. Which one of the following statement is correct? Question number 101. Which one of the following statement is correct?
Option 3, sir. A protein is always in there.
What are the given options? The seed in grasses, the given first option is the seed in grasses is not endospermic. Grass is one of the
Isn't-
monocotyledon. Yes, that is a endospermic,
Endospermic.
but here given not endospermic.
Not endospermic.
Next, the given second option is mango is a parthenocarpic fruit. Mango is a non-parthenocarpic. Yes, very good.
Non-parthenocarpic.
Next, the given a proteinaceous aileron layer is present in maize grain.
Correct,
is
sir.
it present or-
Correct, sir.
Yes, that's
It's
correct.
present.
Yes. Next, fourth option, a sterile pistil is called stamen. A
Sterile
pistil
stamen.
Yes, the sterile stamen is called stamen. Right, which is the correct statement? Option 3.
3, sir.
Yes, very good. Next, question number 1 or 2. Non-albuminous seed is produced in non-albuminous.
P. P, sir.
Is
Option 4.
very good. P. Fourth option is correct answer. Maize, castor wheat, albuminous
Endospermic.
seed.
Albuminous.
Very good. Endospermic seeds. Maize, castor, and wheat are the endospermic or albuminous seeds. P, whereas P is the non-albuminous or exalbuminous seeds. Right. Next, the question number 103. Maxillary estivation is characteristic of the family.
Fabaceae.
Maxillary estivation. Very good. Fabaceae family. Next question, the 104. The correct floral formula of chili is option 1 is actinomorphic, flower is actinomorphic, bisexual, sepals 5 free, corolla 5 petals free, androecium is consist 5 stamens, epipetalous, fused stamens are fused, gynoecium 2 carpels, hypogenes. Next, the given second option is flowers are actinomorphic, bisexual, sepals 5 fused, gamocephalous, petals 5 free, stamens 5 fused, gynoecium 2 carpels are present, syncarpus fused, hypogenes flowers are hypogenes. The given third option is flowers are actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx is consist of 5 sepals fused, gamocephalous, corolla is consist of 5 petals fused, gamopetalous, androecium is consist of 5 stamens. The stamens are attached to the petals, epipetalous. Gynoecium is consist of 2 carpels. Carpels are fused with each other. Syncarpus, gynoecium, hypogenes.
Option 3, sir.
Very good. Option 3.
Option 3, sir.
Very good. Option 3 is the correct answer. Chilies belongs to family.
Option 3, sir.
Solanaceae.
Solanaceae, right. Option 3 is the correct answer. Flowers are actinomorphic, bisexual. Sepals are found in a calyx, Gamosepalus. The petals are found in corolla. Petals are fused petals. The stamens are found free. The stamens are attached to the petals. Epipetalous. Gynoectomies consist of the two carpels. Carpels are fused with each other. Hypogynous. Ovary is superior. Ovary is the superior. So third option is the correct answer. Next. Here is a characteristics of the flowers of what are the given options? Option 1 is pink. Option 2 is bulbover. Option 3 is cassia. Option 4 is Calotropis. What is the answer for this question? Please listen me answer. Very good. First option is the correct answer. Next, the correct floral
Option
formula.
1, sir. Beam.
Very good. First option. Option 1 is the correct answer. The next question, the question number 106. The correct floral formula of soya bean is option 1 is percent. That's means zygomorphic flower. Bisexual flower. Flower is bisexual. Calyx is consist of 5 sepals fused. Corolla is consist of 5 petals. Among the 5, one is free. 2 petals are fused. 2 are free. Androecium is consist of 10 stamens. Among the 10, 9 are fused. Remaining one is free. A 9 plus 1. Gynoecium. Gynoecium is consist of 1 carpel. Hypogynous flower. Ovary is superior. The given second option is flowers are zygomorphic, bisexual, sepals 5, free, corolla is consist of see 1 plus 2 plus 2. 2 of the petals are fused. Androecium consists of 10 stamens. A 9 plus 1. Gynoecium is consist of 1 carpel. Hypogynous. The flower is hypogynous. Next, the given third option is flowers are zygomorphic, bisexual, sepals 5, Gamosepalus, corolla 5, 1 plus 2 plus 2, 2 within bracket means fused. 2 of the petals are fused with each other. Next, androecium. Androecium is consists of 10 stamens. Among the 10, 9 are fused. 1 is free. A 9 plus 1. Gynoecium is consists of 1 carpel. Hypogynous. Next, fourth option is flowers are zygomorphic, bisexual. Calyx is consist of 5 sepals fused. Corolla is consist of 5 petals united. 2 among the 5, 2 are united, fused with each other. Next, androecium 1 plus 9. Gynoecium 1 carpel. What is the answer for this question?
Sir, third option, sir.
Very good. Option 3 is the correct answer.
Option third, sir.
Very good. Option third. Next. Solanaceae family commonly called as.
Potato family.
Very good. Potato family. Potato family. Not 7. Third option is the correct answer. Next. Identify the incorrect statement about dicotyledonous seed. What are the given options? Option 1 is above the hilum is above the hilum is a small pore called the micropyle. Identify the incorrect statement about dicotyledonous seed. The given first option is above the hilum is a small pore called the micropyle. Next, the second option within the seed pore. Within the seed pore. Within the seed pore is the embryo consisting of embryonal axis and the two cartilages. Embryonal axis and two cartilages. How many cartilages are present in dicotyl seed? 2 or 1?
Two cotyledons.
Two cartilages. Very good. Next. In castor, the endosperm formed as a food storing tissue is pre-fertilization.
Option 3, sir.
Very good.
It is formed after fertilization, sir.
Very good. It's formed in castor. The endosperm is formed as a food storing tissue. After fertilization means that's correct. After fertilization. But here given a pre-fertilization.
Fertilization.
Before fertilization. Here endosperm is formed after fertilization process. That's food storing tissue. So it's incorrect statement. Yes, very good. So third option is the correct answer for this question. Next, cotyledon of maize grain is called. Option 1 is lemur. Option 2 is oleorhiza. Option 3 is coleoptils. Option 4 is scutellum. What is the answer?
Scutellum.
Very good. Scutellum. Option 4 is the correct answer. Next, non-endospermic seed is found in. Option 1 is a pea. Option 2 is a gram. Option 3 is a bean. Option 4 is olive.
All of these.
Option
sir.
4, all of the above.
Very good. Both option is correct answer. Next, identify the correct match. Next question. Question number 1. Identify the correct matching. A, B, D, C. Right here, what are the given options? A is item. B, micropyle. C, radical. D, plummet. D, plummet. Second option is A, item. B, micropyle. C, D given. D, radical. C, plummet. The given third option is A, item. B, micropyle. C, radical. D, plummet. Option Option 4 is B, item. A, micropyle. D, radical. C, plummet.
Sir, first option, sir.
Option 1, sir.
Very good. Option 1 is the correct. That A is item. B, micropyle. Next. C is the radical. D is the plummet. Next. The next question, 112. Identify A, B, C, D from the following diagram. What is the A? Here A stands for A represent.
Endosperm, sir.
Endosperm.
Very good. B is
B,
the
scutellum. Scutellum.
yes, B is the
Scutellum.
scutellum. Very good. Next C.
Coleorhiza. Sorry, coleoptile, sir.
Coleoptile. C is
Coleoptile.
right. D is
Coleorhiza.
coleoptile. Right. What are the which option is correct answer? A, endosperm.
Fourth option, sir.
B, scutellum. Very good. Fourth option is correct answer. A, endosperm. B is scutellum. C, coleoptile, and D, coleoptile. Fourth option is correct answer. Next, persistent calyx is present in option 1 is brassicaceae, option 2 is liliaceae, option 3 is fabaceae, option 4 is solanaceae. What is the answer for this question?
Option
Next.
4,
Option
sir.
4 Solanaceae.
Very good. Option 4 is the correct answer. Next, 114. How many plants in the list given below have albuminous seeds? Gram, bean, pea, castor, groundnut, maize.
Cash.
Here, what are the given plant seeds?
Sir, non-albuminous, sir.
Albuminous.
Okay.
Endosperm. Right. What are the given option? Given ones. Gram seed, B, castor, groundnut, maize, groundnut and maize.
Sir, castor and maize, sir.
Castor and
Very
maize.
good. Castor and maize are the albuminous seeds. Non-albuminous gram,
Bean, pea, groundnut.
groundnut. Yes. Among these given plant seeds, how many plants in the
Two.
Two are
Two.
albuminous.
Very good. Option 1 is given
2 are albuminous.
2 is 4, option 3 is 7, option 4 is 6. 2 is very good. First option is the correct answer. Castor and maize are the albuminous seeds. Next, which are the following families for this? Reticulate variation. What are the given options? Option 1 is Fabaceae. Option 3 is Solanaceae. Option 3 is 1 and 2.
Option 3, sir. 1 and 2.
1 and 2, sir.
Very good. Option 3, 1 and 2. The Fabaceae and in Solanaceae family, the leaves are consist of the reticulate venetion.
Sir, in Brassicaceae also reticulate venation, no, sir?
Brassicaceae is also reticulate venetion.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. Next, the question number 116. The outer covering of seed coat, which is thin and whitish, is known as outer
Testa.
covering. Testa.
Testa.
Fourth option is the correct answer. Next, the two continents are present in. Option 1 is gram. Option 2 is pea. Option 3 is groundnut. Option 4, all of them.
All of these, sir.
All of the above, sir.
Yes, fourth option.
All of these.
Correct answer. Yes. 117. Fourth option is correct answer. Next, floral diagram represent. Option 1 is position of flower. Option 2 is number and arrangement of the floral parts. Option 3 is
Option 2, sir.
nature of plant. Very good. Option 2.
Option 2, sir.
Very good. Number and arrangement of the floral parts. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next, this is the floral formula of flowers are zygomorphic, bisexual, calyx is consist of 5 sepals fused, corolla is consist of 5 petals, 1 plus 2 plus 2, androecium 10 stamens, 9 are fused, 9 plus 1, gynoecium is consist of 1 corpel, flowers are dicotyledons. What are the given options? This is floral formula of.
Fabaceae, sir.
Very good.
Fabaceae.
Fabaceae. First option is correct. Next, in floral formula, K within brackets denotes.
Fused.
Very good. Option 1 is polycephalous. Polycephalous. Option 2 is gamocephalous. Option 3 is polypetalous. Option 4 is gamopetalous.
Sir, option 2.
Option
Gamocephalous.
2, sir.
Very good. Option 2 is correct answer. Gamocephalous. Next, the following floral diagram belongs to the plant. Option 1 is Brassica.
Sir, option 2.
is Elm. Option 3 is Solana.
One.
Option 4 is Ram. Very good. Option 1, Brassica. Next, find the mismatch. Find the mismatch. Brass casing. A 2 plus 4. Fabaceae. A Andrewsian 9 plus 1. Fabaceae C 1 plus 2 plus 2 within bracket. Option 4 brass casing. Brass casing K 2 plus 2. Fused sepals. Double sepals. What is the mismatch? Please message me answer. Very good. Option 4.
Option 4.
Option 4. Fourth option is
Option 4, sir.
next. Bicarpellary syncarpous ovary with axial classification is found in bicarpellary syncarpous, right? Bicarpellary syncarpous ovary with the axial classification.
Solanaceae.
Very good. Solanaceae. First option is correct answer.
2 axils.
Yes. Solanaceae family. Next, monocarpellary ovary, didelphus androecium and a marginal classification occur in
Fabaceae.
Fabaceae.
very good. Fourth option is correct answer. Next, didelphus
Fabaceae.
very good. Fabaceae, second option. Pulses are obtained from
Fabaceae.
Fabaceae. Right. First option. Next, oil yielding plants are question number
1 and 2.
soybean.
Soybean and groundnut.
Option
1 and 2,
3,
soybean and groundnut.
Option 4, mango.
Option 3.
Option 3 is correct answer. Very good one. Next, flowers of Fabaceae. Flower of Fabaceae.
And pentamerous.
Very good. Option 1 is Jacob.
Pentamerous.
Next, question number 129. The seeds of Fabaceae. Option 1 is monocarp, non-endospermic. Option 2, dicarp, non-endospermic. Option 3, dicarp, endospermic. Option 4, monocarp, endospermic. What is the answer? Very good. Dicarp and non-endospermic. Second option is the correct answer.
Dicot, non-endospermic, sir. Option 2 is
Very
correct.
good. Dicarp and non-endospermic. Option 2 is correct. Next, the question number 130. The leaf base in Fabaceae plant is option 1 Palavinus, option 2 Sheathing, option 3 option 4 Binged. Very good. Option 1 is the
Palavinus.
Yes. Next, name the family having 9 plus 1 arrangement of stamens. Option 1 Solanaceae.
Fabaceae.
Fabaceae, sir.
Fabaceae. Fourth option is the correct answer. Next, select the correct option.
Option 3.
Very good. BR is denotes
Bracteate.
the bracket, right? K. Transverse. Galaxy.
P. Corella.
Corolla.
P. Perianth.
Very good. So third option is the correct answer. Next, cactus fruit of Fabaceae member is option 1 fruit, option 3, option 2 legume, option 3
Two legumes, sir.
Option 2.
Legume, sir.
Legume, sir.
legume. Very good. Next, flowers of Solanaceae are option 1 hypogynous.
Hypogynous.
Very good. Hypogynous.
Hypogynous. Option 1.
Yes. Option 1 is correct answer. Flowers are hypogynous. Next, 135. A flower can be said to be a member of Fabaceae. It shows Option 1 is epipetal stem. Option 2 is twisted petals. Option 3 is standard keel and wings. Option 4 valved petal.
Option
Option
3,
3
sir.
standard kill and
Standard
Option 3 is
wing and kill.
standard keel and wings petals. Right. Do you have any doubts now regarding this today's discussion?
no doubt, sir.
Today's
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
So, so next class we will discuss about that the remaining characteristics of Solanaceae family and Liliaceae family. Okay. Have a nice day.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay. Bye.